In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now choose Open under Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password at the top. Now it's time to input all of those informations. Over here you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!